Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one in here. The first thing we need to find this one. So we can use about interpolation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to f and t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this. Next we need to change the bounds. So when t equals to number 2, so we have number 2 in here, so we put number 2 go in here. So u equals to f and number 2. When t equals to s, so u equals to f and s. And now we have the new one. So we have the limit go in here. So number 2 that is about f and number 2. S we have f and s. This one f and t that is about u. dt over t we change for the u. And now the next one. This one that is about u to the power of negative c du. So the integration of this one that is about u to the power of negative c plus 1 over negative c plus 1. And we put the bounds f and number 2 to f and s. So I will put this one go in here, and f and number 2 go in here. So that should be about 1 over f and s to the power of c minus 1. So I will transform this one go to this one because we have the formula in here. So the next one we have negative c plus 1. The next one we have negative, and we have 1 over negative c plus 1, and that is about f and number 2 to the power of c minus 1. So when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. And we know that c is greater than number 1. That means c minus 1 is greater than number 0. Because we put back we have c is greater than number 1. So in this case, this one you got number 0. So now we just have only this one. And this is the answer for question A. Question B. So we need to use the value of A to find the minimum value of G. So that should be like this. Now the negative will change the sign of this one. This one will go in here. So we have f and number 2 to the power of 1 minus c. This one we have c minus 1. Now we need to find first the derivative of GC. So that should be like this. So this is about the quotient rule of the derivative. So in this one, we have the formula in here. So if we apply this one, we got like this. Now, first derivative of this one, we have Ln number 2, 1 minus c. Later that we have Ln of Ln number 2. And first derivative of 1 minus c. This one we have negative number 1 go in here. So this one we have number 1. Now we put this one equals to number 0 to find the radical values. So we just have only this one equals to number 0. I forget c minus 1 in here. So this one and this one we can do about factorization, and we put outside in here. So we just have Ln of Ln number 2 multiplied by c minus 1. And we have positive number 1 in here. So we just have only this one equals to number 0. So we put this one go to the right, then we divide both sides by this one. So negative number 1 I will put in here. And that is the value of c. To make sure that this one they can get the minimum value. This is the end. Thank you for watching.